Okay, so Tim, we are to the question that inspired the title. Glass breaking crazy, Tim.
Okay.
Glass breaking crazy. So we've already responded. I've already had conversations to Heather, who's the person who's asking this question, Tim. We've already kind of gone back and forth. But I thought this would be a fun one to bring up on the show because it's kind of interesting. And I actually wanted to get some input from the live chat to see what they thought as well.
We got some pretty smart guys over there.
I know we do. So I'm gonna throw this one to them. I'm gonna throw this one to Tim first, and I'm gonna throw this one to the live chat. And we'll see how it works out. So Tim, here is Heather's question. She writes, I have a question for you. We just arrived to my parents' lake house for the weekend, and the glass on top of our cocktail unit is completely shattered. It's in a garage game room, which is insulated and has a window AC unit. I feel like it got hot, just like cell phones do sometimes, causing the glass to break. It was bought brand new about 5 years ago. What do you think would cause something like this to happen on its own? I appreciate your time and look forward to your opinion. So Tim, here are the pictures that Heather sent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so this is a barrel-style multi-K cabinet, it looks like, with the 3-button setup, so probably an iCade 16 board in there. And you can see they have the little stool there, little black stool in the corner, but you can see that the top of it is completely shattered. Now, it does not look like anything fell on it, per se. And there was nothing they found on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's important to note. They believe, when I was talking to her, Tim, that the window unit was going the whole time and keeping it, I think, around 80.
Wow.
Okay, so it's not like it's not like it got super hot.
130 or something.
Right, exactly. It is in a garage, but the garage is insulated, right? Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so it looks like that this broke kind of on its own. Okay, so Tim, what do you think happened to Heather's cocktail glass? And same to the live chat over here that I'm looking. I know you guys can't see it. This is where I look at the live chat. If you didn't know, I see you guys over here. So if you have any ideas of what could have happened, please let us know as well. But Tim, I throw it to you.
This one is a head scratcher because normally, we learned a long time ago for every reaction there's equal and opposite reaction, right? Sure. If it wasn't hot in there. But we do know that the glass was tempered glass. Now, if it was just a heat issue, every window in Texas would be busted right now. Or Nevada, if you were out there in Vegas right now.
Well, she's in Florida.
Right?
Okay, and in Florida, it can get hot.
If it was just hot. Right. I don't know that. I think going from hot to cold could cause some of that if you were going from one extreme to the other. More than likely, I don't know. That's the truth is, we don't know. We talked about gremlins. We talked about ghosts. But the thing about glass like that, it's tempered glass, is it doesn't take but just a little bitty bump or something, and it can shatter exactly like that. In fact, I've seen videos where people would just set it on the corner. But if they weren't in there and the room was sealed off, I can't believe that there wasn't a cat or anything in there. This is quite a mystery. So we're not glass repair people, but that just seems very strange that this would happen. Maybe a little holy water on it and repair it. But other than that, I'm at a loss. I don't know. I think that to me, it had to be something with the temperature going and changing and fluctuating. But if they kept it reasonably cool and nobody touched it, they just came in like that one day. There had to have been some flaw in that glass that just presented itself at some point. But still a mystery. What's the live chat saying?
Well, I was going to say before I go to the live chat, I mean, we've seen this with pinball machines where people will walk in and their pinball machine glass is like totally shattered.
That's true.
I mean, I think we see it more with that just because I think it had something to do with the glass being flat. You know what I'm saying? Versus like the glass, I think about the glass bezels, the glass that's like in these. I don't see that break nearly as much as I see with like flat glass.
Flat police?
Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? So anyway, Tim, I'm going to... Actually, let's go to live chat first. I was going to go to this, but let's go to the live chat first real quick. So, Poor One said... Oh, okay. Poor One says he has an outrun and needs some work. We'll talk about that here in a second.
Okay.
Please give us some more details about that, and we'll get to that here. Nate says, do you think it was tightened down too tightly and shattered?
See, that's where my brain is going. It's like at some point, it was so tight, and then a little bit of temperature fluctuation caused the stress in it, and that's what caused it to shatter. That's my guess, is that exactly he's right. I think that something was tied too tight.
Yeah.
clip
Junger
was.
says it's not original and self-built. That's the problem. Well, I mean, you buy a piece of glass, it's a piece of glass, right? I mean, it should
Right.
work. Let's see. Nate says too much pressure applied. I mean, it's possible with the stuff. Tex JYT says same thing, kind of pressure. He also says maybe Bigfoot. But there you go. I think we got. Is that all of it? Yeah, I think tension is part of what I didn't think about when I wrote back to her. Like maybe the clips were just too tight, and so like it didn't take much to crack it because of that. So
just a little bit of fluctuation or a sunny day or something that just caused that stress where they were probably too tight.
Absolutely. So let me go ahead and throw up what I kind of discussed with her. This is very strange. Tim mentioned that too. It's possible that the temperature may have had something to do with the glass breaking. There may have also been some imperfections in the glass that, when exposed to the right circumstances, like Tim mentioned, like a heat-cold kind of thing, caused it to break. Good news is that broken glass should not cause any electronic issues. And so you should still be able to play the game, provided you can remove the pieces safely. And Tim, a lot of times, I know when this happens on pinball machines, I think they recommend shop vacs to suck it all up, right?
Yep.
So just suck it all up with a shop vac. That should get most of it out. Of course, you will need to get a new piece of glass. You can try contacting the company you bought the game from. Of course, it's been 5 years, Tim, so who knows if they're still around or if they're still making the same units. But if they are, try that first. Or you can contact a local glass shop and be sure to get the tempered glass. Right, Tim?
Yes.
Tempered glass.
Always tempered.
Always tempered. So, but overall, don't really know. I mean, that's kind. I mean, we gave you some ideas here, Heather, and I kind of told her that. I mean, it's like, don't really know, but it's definitely possible. You know that. And I like the stress. I didn't think about the stress being applied by the clips being too tight. That's very possible as well. And so, if those clips were down really tight, kind of holding that glass down, and it just got the slightest bit of bump, slightest bit of temperature variation or something like that, then we may have gotten a breakage due to that as well. Anything else, Tim?
No, I don't think so.
Well, there you go, Heather. There's a little bit
question.
more
Thank you
on
for
your
writing
question, and hopefully, even if you don't figure it out, hopefully you can get it replaced and start playing your game again. Exactly. So, yeah, it's weird because, I mean, obviously it's pretty broken, but it doesn't necessarily look like anything hit it either. You know, I know it's from the pictures. So
also, if you have any children, there's always a possibility.
That's exactly
They
correct.
will lie.
They will lie. Well, it doesn't sound like anybody was really in the lake house.
That's very strange, yeah, because like you said, nobody was there, and very strange, very interesting question.
Absolutely. So, Heather, good luck getting that glass replaced. Hopefully the game still works fine after you get it all cleaned up, and some things we'll just never know, Tim.
Yeah.
I'll mark that on my list of things I'm going to ask God when I get up there.
Right.
So, there you go. So.